most got the partial credit. You did have a subtract, but then you didn't have any of the rest of it right. Some of it pretty wrong, honestly. What do we normally do with a square root when we're expanding? You turn it into a to the 1/2 power, right? Now, again, most of these kinds of problems you could do in slightly different ways and still end up getting it to the right place. You might have split this up into a square root in the numerator and a square root of the denominator, and then done the quotient property, and then done the turn it to the 1/2 power later. What I did, but like I said, is just one way of doing it, is right away on this step, inside the logarithm, I wrote this as x squared over y to the third to the 1/2. That's what it says. Okay, now, you could use properties of exponents at that point to simplify. You could say x squared to the 1/2 is 1. Y to the third to the 1/2 is 3/2. Or you could just pull that to the front first. I think it was more likely that you tried to do that. The ones who kind of got this far, let's say, pulled this to the front and made it like 1/2 times. And that'll be, I don't actually need that yet. Undo. Log base b, I don't know what I'm doing up here, of x squared over y to the third. Okay, and then did a quotient property, so it became 1/2 log of x squared minus log of y to the third. And some stopped at that point, but you're not done yet, right? Now, you can now use the power property on each one. And some stopped at that point, but you're not done. Right? You got to multiply now by the 1/2. Right? Honestly, if it was me on this last step, I would just say 1/2 times 2 is 1. Right? You don't even need to show anything. More than 1, wrote it like this: 1/2 times 2 times the log base b of x. Right? Don't leave a 1/2 times a 2. Right? That's 1. You got to simplify it all the way. 1/2 times 2 is 1. Don't leave it like that. Then minus 3/2 times log base b of y. And again, this one really should have been 1. Or just don't show a coefficient.